Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Square for online payment deposits, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin authenticating with Square for online payment deposits, you will first need to create a Square account if you haven't already. Visit the Square website and click on the Sign Up button. Provide the necessary information, including your name, email address, and password. Once you complete the sign-up process, check your email for a confirmation message from Square. Click the link in the email to verify your account. Log into your Square account using your email and password. Now, navigate to the Account and Settings section in the dashboard. In this section, find the business settings to set up your payment methods. Select Payments and then click on Accept Payments. Here, you will see various options for integrating Square with your online store. Choose the integration that suits your website platform, such as WooCommerce, Wix, or Shopify. Follow the provided instructions for your chosen platform to install and activate the Square payment plugin or app. After installation, return to your Square dashboard. In the Account and Settings area, locate the API section to access your application keys. Copy the application ID and access token for authentication. Next, you will need to incorporate these keys into your website's payment settings. Go back to your website and locate the payment settings for the Square integration. Paste the application ID in the designated field. Then, paste the access token in the corresponding field. Save your changes and ensure that the integration is active. Test the payment processing by conducting a small transaction on your website. Make sure to monitor your Square dashboard for the payment confirmation. If any issues arise, consult Square's Help Center for troubleshooting assistance. Once the setup is complete, you are ready to accept online payments through Square. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.